What's up? Good morning. What's up? What's up? Let's see. Hold on. I have one level that I'm going to be watching very, very, very closely for a reject today. Let's see. Hold on. I got a bunch of ads in the Discord. I just got to look at them. There they are. Cool. How we doing today, fam? How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know down in the chat. 100 people already. Look at that. All right. So real quick, everybody, make sure you're clicking that like button. 100 people up in here. 29 likes. Remember, running up to 150 likes. And yeah, let's do it. So good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Brittany, Alex, Abade. I don't want to mess up your name. Jay, Anthony, Chris, Patrick, David, Paul. Greatly appreciate you guys. Good morning. So much more. Lost money. What'd you trade? Yesterday was pretty choppy. For the beginning of the day, I missed a complete banger on QQQ. I was would have been a nice trade. Anyways, yesterday is in the past. Today is a new day. Let's find some setups. Let's make some money. And yeah, hopefully everybody's able to print today. And hold on, let me make sure we don't got anything on the economic calendar. Friday, 8:40. We have a speaker and then 10 o'clock. That's it. So 10 o'clock, main thing I'll be watching. So with SPY, there's one main level that I am looking for a possible reject. It's getting super close to the level, so hopefully we don't hit it. I'll just delete all this. Good God. There we go. Clean chart. Okay, so the main level that I'm watching on SPY today is if we take our fibs from this pivot high to this pivot low, I have a reject at 398.38. So we are super close. If we can stay below this level in the pre-market and come up, I will be looking for a reject and I will be looking for my fib rule. But if the market wants to stay strong and say this were to be the top, there's a few different levels we could take for fibs. Pre-market low to the high. Again, I don't know if this is the high right now, but if this were to be, I'd be looking for a pullback to 395. And remember, we also have that really strong support at 395. Boom, boom. Red. Right there. Yeah, 390. Hold on, I told everybody yesterday to look for a reject at 394.8 to 395. I took a little bit of it, but dang did I paper hand it. Because this thing, just got smoked. Right back to a fib point too. If you take the, I think it was this low to this high. 61.8, and then it bounced. But two things could play out with SPY today. Like I said, if this is the top, I'll be looking for a pullback somewhere to like 395.68 to 395.11. And again, real quick, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 224 people up in here and only 84 likes. If you guys want to watch this, 150 likes, you guys know the drill. But yeah, we're gonna have to see what happens today. Honestly, I thought the market was gonna pull more, but we hit that 390 support. And then we ended up bouncing. So again, might have to redraw those fibs right there. Let's get the screen up. All right, cool. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, 30-minute. We don't know if 390 is the bottom. We do not know. Could be. Could not. So we'll see. But if we crack 400, I have a level at like 406 on SPY, like 405.50 to 406. I'm gonna keep a very close eye on that one. Let's see. But yeah, so we got our levels with SPY. Let's get the QQQ. Yeah, that 390 is huge. So for QQQ, some possible rejects that we could look at. Actually, there's really only one, this high to this low. 289.14 is my main level. Let's see. Let's do SPY first. SPY. I mean, we might hit it in the pre-market. Where's my drawings? There it is, 9.2. Okay. So, honestly, I would really like a pullback too, but I will risk it if we pump up into this 398.38 if it happens when the market opens. If it does it during pre-market, I'm not going to be interested. But if we crack there, we're going to 400. Well, Huno. Boom. 400. So, that is not what I wanted. SPY main reject level. Let me tell you, my heat is broken in my place, and it won't get above 63 degrees in here. It is freezing. Called them yesterday to come look at it. Never heard back. So, your boy's hands are super cold. Main reject level, 398.4 to 398.5. If price is able to break above there, we should see 400. And then, let's see. I will also be interested in any pullbacks to look for call entries at retracements. Boom. All right, so there's SPY. Again, 398.4 is pretty big. If this were to be the top right here, I'm going to be watching 395.68 and 395 for possible retracements to get long. Also lines up with that 1 hour 21 EMA, which is a good bounce area. See, a couple different scenarios could play out on SPY today. Going to be watching both ways. And then if we go to QQQ, I have no idea what kind of system I have, to be honest with you. Actually, hold on. Let's go back to that spot. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. How many people we got? We got 277 people, 126 likes. Remember, 150 likes, you guys get the watch list. And also make sure you guys are subscribed, because I go live every single morning, 8:15 or 8:20, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Let's see, no confluence there. No confluence there. And we have confluence there. So yeah, 395 is going to be pretty big if we pull back there. I will definitely be looking to load some calls there if we get the pullback. For real, I'm going to have to buy some gloves. Smash the likes, you guys know the drill. QQQ 289.14 is my main reject. Any pullbacks that we could see, again, if this were to be the top, 284.16 to 283.26. But I mean, 289.14 is looking like a really solid level for a reject spot. QQQ main reject spot is at 289.14. Main reject spot is at 289.14. I will be watching for puts at that level. Messed up my SPY. I forgot to put a 4. There we go. We'll be looking for puts at that level. I will also be watching for any retracements to try some calls once we find a top. Bingo, there's QQQ. 289.14, that looks really good, especially because we have room to pump up there. Typically what I look for when we go into reject spots or support points is I look for a big move. So say the market were to open and QQQ just ripped from 287.66 up to 289.14. That's a big move going into that level, and that increases the likelihood that we're going to reject it. So I'm going to be actively watching that. And then let's see what else we can find. Pull up the day trade watch list. Apple, how we looking? I think Apple broke above. Yeah, I cleared that 61.8. What about right here? Yep, cleared that one too. Apple actually doesn't look too bad to the upside. I just don't trade Apple. But if you guys want, if the market gets strong, watch Apple. That doesn't look bad. AMD. Trading right at the 61.8 right now. Actually, if it clears it, however, that could be a good move to the upside. So above 75.9. Look for calls. I don't trade Snow. There's no liquidity. AMD. Amazon, 5-minute, 10-minute squeezes. Kind of got this little wedge breakout right here on the 1 hour. Now, do we get follow through? That's the question. Let's see, came down to the 50%. It's actually not a bad setup. If you want, you can watch Amazon. I'm not personally going to watch it. Google, don't trade that. Meta. Meta actually looks better than most of the stocks. I'm going to watch Meta to the upside today. That actually moves. 113.6 break. AMD, Meta. Microsoft, don't trade. Netflix. Don't care about Nvidia. Yeah, make sure you guys are running up those likes. Let's see. That trend line or that wick kind of messes with it. But we're getting pretty close to the breakout on Nvidia. I guess so. No issues to 150. Now let's increase the goal to 200 likes. Let's see if we can start doing that on the daily. I would say if Nvidia can crack that trend line, I'd be interested. It just looks so weak on the daily too. So weak. Remind me at the end, we'll look at IWM. I typically don't trade that. It's probably been like a year and a half since I traded it. Traded it during COVID. So PayPal, I don't trade. QQQ, we already looked at. Roku, don't care about. Shopify, don't care about. Tesla, 1 hour squeeze on Tesla. Cool. 200 likes. Can we do it? We got 195. You guys are blowing it up today. I love it. Yeah, Tesla smacked that 61.8 and it's holding. Tesla's going to be a little higher risk, but I'd say if we broke above here, I'd be interested. Broke above the trend line. Yeah, let's look at Tesla today. And again, I know all 328 of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every morning, anywhere in between 8 to 8:20. give you guys a completely free watch list for the day, answer your questions. Plus, on top of that, I have over 900 videos teaching you how to trade for completely free on my channel. So if you're not subscribed, you're missing out big time. And then on top of that, in case you guys are interested in learning more about my day trading and swing trading strategy in a 450-page book, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis. Don't use the first link, I accidentally messed that one up, but use any of the next 30 that I just sent. But yeah, 450 pages, can't go wrong with it. Anyways, AMD, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla. Those are the setups I like. Tesla above, I would say yesterday's high would be ideal. If we can get above there, if the market gets some strength. Then let's see, AMD. Just got your book, let's go. So AMD is trading at that 61.8 right now. If it's able to break above there, it should get some room to the upside. If it rejects it, look for puts. It's actually, is that a daily gap? Oh wait, it already filled the daily gap, I see. Yeah, AMD maybe. Video. Yeah, so the way that you combine ES and SPY together, for example, would be, hold on, let me pull up the other chart. Where is it? Right here. So for ES to get to 4,000 right now, it needs to go 10 points. So if we look at SPY right now as well, 10 points on ES is $1 on SPY. So for ES to get to 4,000, we need to go 10 points. Well, right now, SPY is at 397.7. So 4,000 on ES is SPY at 398.7. Does that make sense? So 10 points, $1. 1 point, 10 cents. 100 points, $10. So that's how you piece them together. And then, gotta make this a little bigger. This is my new day trading setup right here. Boom. The link to the book, I just dropped like 30 of them. I dropped 2 more. 1, 2. How do you know how much it is to join? What do you mean? Oh, Team Bull. Here, if you want to join Team Bull, here's a link to that. Boom. Beacons. Use that link. Fingers crossed this is the top. I would be so interested in a pullback on SPY. Let's see. I think once I hit 50K subs, the ball is in all of your courts now. 50K subs, you guys get the new day trading setup and the new day trading strategy. That's been super profitable. But I would say Meta, as long as Meta can chill. Yeah, can we hit 250 likes today? I just want to see where we can get today. Can we hit 300, 350? I mean, Meta's got the room. As long as it doesn't break 113.6, I'm interested. Let's see. We're nowhere near any of the SMAs. The only spot I see is right here. 114.37, that's only one. Cool. All right, Meta it is. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Meta. Looking. I have no idea. Oh, John Carter. I still use it. Looking for calls. What's up? Above 113.6. Price target equal 114.37. 116.26. Got the book from the UK. I greatly appreciate you. I hope you enjoy it. But we got Meta. I think I'm gonna watch Tesla. If we can get above yesterday's high, I'll be interested. If the market gets some strength and we smack above there, I think we could push. Let's see what a person's pivots say. Yeah, we're trading right at that daily pivot right now. So if we can crack that, I mean, I don't got anything till 193, but let's see what we got over here. Again, feel free to ask questions. I answer most of the questions on here, so feel free to type them in the chat. But I also find it hard to believe that out of 310 of you, only one of you are a new subscriber today. I'll remember that. Look to the left, look to the right. Boom. Nope. Nope. Thank you for the subscribe. Nope. Actually, this is a pretty strong area right here on Tesla. I honestly don't have much. The only thing that I actually have on Tesla is at 186.75, but other than that, I don't really see anything else as far as support and resistance. So we're just gonna have to play it by momentum. All right, let's do it. ThinkorSwim. Also, thank you for the subscribe. I didn't see your name pop up, but I appreciate you. There we are. ASMR, greatly appreciate you. Tesla. Looking for a possible breakout above 186.16. The only price target I have is 186.75, but if price gets above there, we could see a pretty big move, as I have no resistance until I think it was 193 was the level. Now you guys are all rolling in. There we go. Yeah, 190, actually 193.93. Also, there's a 1 hour squeeze. My hands are freezing. Haley, greatly appreciate you. Let's see. Everybody's subscribing now. Somebody's complimenting me with my suit. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's it for the day. What was the other stock? What did we do? We did Meta, Tesla. It was AMD and Nvidia were the other two. Let's see. If you want, feel free to watch Nvidia if it can crack the trend line, which is at 160.5. And then AMD, which that trend line is currently at, or actually, no. AMD above 75.88. Remember, we're trading at that 61.8% retracement. If we crack above there, it could probably go higher. And yes, I do have a video on how to set up ThinkorSwim. So, SPY. SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Meta. I did not. Is that true? I'm going to drop it in the chat. Hold on. Need more people to sub so you can listen to the music. Hey, that's all you guys. Hey, we hit 262 likes today. We did good. We surpassed the goal today. We blew right past it. I appreciate you guys joining in every morning, keeping me company. I would go insane without you guys. So, I did not know that. Wow. Looks like I'm going to be a Carl today. 'Cause let me tell you, I'm cold. I'm freezing. All right, so there's SPY. Here's QQQ. Here's Meta. What's up, Jam? Here's Tesla. Again, none of this is a trading recommendation. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I am not a certified financial advisor, and everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and everybody have an amazing day. It also looks like we're kind of forming this little head and shoulders right here. So we'll see. Maybe we come back down, we smack that retracement, which lines up with the neckline. Get a little bounce, take it back up to like 397.5. But yeah, feel free to ask questions. And again, if you guys are interested in learning more about my overall strategy, I have a 450-page book on Amazon. I do not sell a course. The only thing I sell is a $55 book that teaches you my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, broken down into an A through Z guide. I go over all my indicators, everything that you need to know. And yeah, so there's a link right there if you guys want to check it out. To follow on, the Twitter page to follow is, hold on. Let's see where he's at. Oh, apparently there was an earthquake in Indonesia, 6.6. Financial Juice is the Twitter page. Yeah, cool. Alrighty. You're super late. Lewis, you need to confirm it with the level 2. Just because it comes up to the level or down to a level, I don't simply just enter because of that. I look for more confirmation. No, this is all ThinkorSwim. I have a video on how to set up your ThinkorSwim just like this. I have a bunch of different windows on here. This is my new. But yeah. What other questions we got? We got some squeezes going into the open. I like. Of course, Dill. Gotta assume your name is Dylan. So, of course, Dylan. Let's see. You bought a put yesterday. Best of luck. Do you consider max pain in today's analysis? What do you mean? I know where my levels are. I'm only going to enter at my levels, and then I'm going to use a good risk management strategy. So, no max pain. Small losses, big wins. Level 2 is super simple. I have a video on it. It's kind of something you got to sit there and watch. Level 2, by far. Level 2. Let's see, what other questions? I'm gonna hop off in a few minutes. Feel free to ask. Keep them coming. Oh, you mean from a market perspective, like how far a SPY could drop or rip? Is that what you mean? 395 is my bounce level. 398.38 is my reject. And then after that, I'm going to look for 400. New strategy, once we hit 50K subs, I'll be posting it. You guys got a way to go. Mental. All my stops are usually mental unless I'm squeezing profits or I think the trade's going to go against me. Yes, the community is growing. We got more people joining on the daily. I love it. No, I didn't look at Dixie. I look at Dixie from a daily perspective. Yes, sir, Justin. Let's go. I'm glad you enjoyed the book. Hope it helps you out. Of course you do. But any others? Are we all good? We ready to run it up today? Ready to make some money? I know I am. I'm super close to that weekly goal. I got to smack it today. I got to get it and hopefully surpass it. So fingers crossed. We'll see. Hopefully I can hit it. But 186 on Tesla. Let's see. The breakout above 186.16 was yesterday's high. And yeah, that's going to wrap it up today. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday, anywhere from 8 to 8:20. So make sure you guys got the bell notification on. I have over 900 videos teaching you guys on how to trade in the market. So if you're not taking advantage of all the free information on my channel, I don't know what to tell you. And again, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages. But yeah, if you guys are in the Discord, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-20 minutes. Other than that,